In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your weapon look smaller on screen in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you're playing and you might want to increase your field of view so you can see more things on screen and make your weapon smaller. So all you got to do is go and press the options button or the pause button, go over to the settings tab, and then go to graphics, which is the fourth option. Over here, you just got to change your field of view. So the highest you can go to, I believe, is 120. Yep, it's 120. So once you go to it, as you can see, I can see a lot more things in game now, which is great. This is how you want to be playing for optimum results. So if you're like, into competitive gaming or anything like that, changing your FOV to 120 is great. There's a good middle ground. So I think 110, I think, is the best way to go. But it's up to you exactly how you want to do it. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. Simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out our other Black Ops 7 videos on this channel.